So now let's go forward and let's do some more stuffs and play around with this lovely tool. So let's take what we can say is ticket types in the rows. Okay, and then we'll take the charges to column. Okay, and then with the charges we can take number of records in the columns. Now what we see, then we drop it to the color sector here, but it got dragged down, right? Didn't it? So this is not the correct way to do stuff. Let's get back. This is the ticket type, this is the charges, and you can see this charges, right? Now there's ticket type here. What we can do is rotate it. So this is one of the option where you can just rotate and you can check out. You don't want to see header, there is no header out here, right? So this is how you this. And when you do reset cards, yes, when you if you want to do these things, okay, so there's a good option. When you select any of this, exclude, it's gone. That's what the filter is, right? Remove this filter, it came back. Keep only this. Now you understand, right, how this filter thing works. Okay, let's again get this term out and ticket type out. Let's drop the charges. Let's with the caption. So when we click on caption, sum of charge, then this sum of charge can be written as let's say charges. Sum of charge will be charge of ticket. That's it. Apply. Okay. Now charge of ticket. Now where we can see charge of tickets, right? We can see once we put up summary. This is the complete summary which is available. Then let's just remove this and I'll tell you what we wrote there and why these things are usable at this instance. Column shelf. When you do Control Z, you get all these values again. Okay, then let's explore the other options as well. Rotate, edit areas, exclude, include. Whatever you select, it will come. Split. You can select the option split and it will give you split, and there are options like edit areas. So this terms gives you the power to change the name, that is card to, let's say, CD. See, now the best point is this change has just happened on the data, or sorry, the visualization, not in the exact data. When you go to this data, it has not changed card to CD. That's it. Good. Let's go back and let's just rename this again, CARD. Right. Now this null and NA, what we can do is we can just exclude these 2 points. Now it gives us a good look, right? Okay, now let's take a column. In the row we took ticket type. In the column we can take up the charges. Okay, so we don't see the column here. Column shelf, yes. Sum of charges, and both the things are right? Now let's take number of records as well on the same number of records and charges. Now let's again take this charges and drop it to colors. Let's take this charges and drop it to colors. Now we can see there is a change in color, right? This and this. Click on colors, edit colors. You can give whatever color you want. Blue, orange. Let's say we not need to give orange. Apply OK. See this. So how this thing works is this gives you the bigger picture, and you can see its charge or the sum over here. Let's just edit. Okay, let's just format it to the left, and we take it to the automatic, clear, left from the left to right, and done. Things didn't happen. Just a sec. Format legend, alignment, Tableau. Okay, and it's to right. Tableau books, shading, no, border, no. Okay, done. What we can do is we can. Okay, so in this case, the alignment is in right only. Now we need to take it into different legend. We take it to center. Okay, the current version which is downloaded at my age don't allow me for the same at that this instant, but we'll figure out how we can do the same thing. Okay, now it's not over yet. I mean, now it shows that the value, the fade of the color depends upon the values, right? So we go to colors, we can go for automatic borders, or we can choose the borders as well. If you can see, the border colors over here, coloring over here gets changed. Yes, and more colors, we can select out more colors. Red, this color red is nice, and we click on OK. Then see if we can see there is a border of red color to both the stuffs. Now we opacity, it's nothing but the fadeness, right? That's it with the colors. Now, I mean, a lot of time we just need to hover it to see the values. What if we want to give a label to it? So to do the same, what we can do is we can put a charge on the labels. Now we can see the labels which are here. Isn't it cool? I mean, now I don't need to push it up every time. So let's say instead of tickets, I just drop this part and I'll just start with the starting journey, keeping over here. Yes, this looks pretty much fine, right? I'll remove this from here. I'll in this NA there are 20 NAs, and this looks good, right? So this is how we labeled. Now, not only this, I want to label the type of tickets as well. What I'll do is I'll put up this ticket, I'll go with the label and I'll put it. Now it has shown a stack of it, right? We can see stack of it. We'll go where we'll give it this, and we can see the stack of it, and all the legends are on the right side of it. Yes. Again, if I need to group it out, so this is how I'm grouping it. A, B, C, D with tickets. Okay, so let's just exclude this. Let's just exclude this. Now see. So on the card, there are these points. On the numbers, there are these points. Now again, well, if we want to see exactly, I mean, hovering it is somewhat difficult every time, right? So what we can do over here is we can start journey or end journey or the type, everything is visible. What needs to be visible is the charges, right? Charges on label, and yes. So now what we understand from this picture is the most.